Welcome to Ags Finance, and we are presenting Ags Transact. Dear investors and viewers, last year we have seen Ags Finance has presented many videos about the IPO and GMP analysis. Yes, absolutely. And the share target too. So this year, this is our first IPO of the 2022, and this is believe me, last year also stock exchange has started with the A series like Anthony West. Yeah, the listing was Anthony West only last year 2021, but we have not made any video on that because that games falls under the issue was opened during December, and it has got listed in Jan. So somewhere we are expecting government means like a Sensex or the stock exchanges always start with the A, isn't it? No. Anyways, we are going to talk about Ags Finance presenting Ags Transact Technologies Limited. That is, their symbol will be AGSTRA. IPO in the stock exchange, okay, IPO 2020. So we are presenting Ags Transact Technologies Limited. Dear viewers, last year means 2021 also we have seen the last company was CMS Infosystem. Again, this company and that company both are competitor with each other for ATM supply machines maintenance. Again, ATM we are watching means last year end up 2021 was end up with the ATM, and the 2022 starting with the ATM only. So here we are finding the competitor of Ags Transacts are Brink, CMS Infosystem, Diebol, Nixdorf, Euronet, FIS, FSS, Hitachi Payment, NCR Corporation, OKI, SIS, Prosecure, TCPS, Writer Corporation, and Haisung. So these are the company in the ATM market which is managing ATM, doing maintenance of ATM, and they are providing services to the banking because banks only like ATM services over anybody into the market. So dear viewers, last year was ATM and this year also ATM. Means it's like a merry-go-round we can say over here. So so what is the strategy of this company? Okay. At the August 31st 2021, including our subsidiaries, we have 34 branches offices across India, and the employees are total 12,935 personnel, including 1,562 are engineers, and the ATM's number is total. ATM officers are it's not ATM officers are 6,158 engaged in core operations of ATMs. Our employees are not unionized. Okay, so if you see, they are having following subsidiaries: Secure Value India Limited, India Transact Service Limited, Global Transact Service Pte Limited, Novus Technology Pte Limited, Novus Technology Cambodia Company Limited, Novus Transact Philippines Corporation, Novus Tech Transact Lanka Private Limited, and AGC Community Foundation. These are their core subsidiaries. So dear viewers, we are going to talk about over here where exactly they start the journey as well as what they do. We are largest integrated omni-channel payment solution provider in India in terms of providing digital and cash-based solutions to bank and corporate clients as of March 31st 2021. We provide customized product and services comprising ATM and CRM outsourcing, cash management, and digital payment solution, including merchant solution, transaction processing services, and mobile wallet. As on 31st March 2021, we are the second largest company in India in terms of revenue from ATM managed service under the outsourcing model. Revenue from the cash management and the number of ATM replenished. Where as on 31st August 2021, we are deployed 2,21,066 payment terminal, and we are one of the largest deployer of POS terminal at petroleum outlets in India, having rolled up with the IPS at more than 16,000 petroleum outlets with 28,986 terminal in India. As of our March 31st, 2021, we also pioneered IPS OMCs for 5 months ended August 31st, 2021 and financial year fiscal year 2021, 2020 and 2019. We derived 95.9%, 95.5% and 96.1% respectively our revenue from operations in India where our business started. Although we have expanded internationally to offer automation and payment solution to bank financial institution in other Asian countries comprises Sri Lanka, Singapore, Cambodia, Philippines and Indonesia. Our total revenue from operation was rupees 7,534 million, 17,589.44 million, rupees 18,004.43 million and rupees 18,057.42 million for 5 months ended 31st August 2021 and the financial year 2021, 2020 and 2019 respectively. So we have started providing banking automation solution in India in 2004. We deploy products from international solution provider such as Diable, Nextdoor, and establish our own countrywide service infrastructure and automation solution expertise to provide related services. Beginning in 2009, we leverage our banking automation solution expertise and our services offer ATM outsourcing and managed services by among other thing entering into 2 operations agreement of Diable Nextdoor for banking and retail products. As part of our strategy, the strength of our presence in the cash value chain, offer integrated payment platform and improve our operations efficiency. We commence offering transaction switching services in 2011 and cash management service in 2012. 2014, we have expanded our offering into digital payment solution, enhancing integrated digital platforms and software as a services capability. In 2016, we have entered the alliances with the CI Worldwide, ACI. Okay, this is alliance with the ACI Worldwide, leading international payment solution provider, which further strengthens our value proposition to customer. We provide our business in the following statement: payment solution, banking automation solutions and other automation solution, customer in retail, petroleum and color sector. Our payment solution segment comprises ATM and CRM outsourcing and managed services, cash management services, ICT digital payment services, which includes toll and transit solution, fast lane transact switching services through POS machine and agency banking. Our customer payment solution segment including ICICI Bank Limited, Axis Bank Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, Federal Bank Limited. Our ATM and CRM outsourcing managed services business, we are responsible for end-to-end management. ATM and CRM started from the identification and development, following machine deployment and maintenance, manage on the behalf of the customer, while we own ATM and CRM outsourcing services business ownership. ATM and CRM remains the customer themselves under the managed service business. August 31st, 2021 portfolio consists 14,099 ATM CRM under outsourcing business and 19,161 ATMs. So managed services and subsidiaries, as we already explained, SVIL build ATM outsourcing and managed service business, including cash replenishment, cash pickup, cash in transit, CIT, cash valuating, cash processing services, ATM managed by us and other operator. August 31st, 2021, we provide cash management services to 46,214 ATM through the fleet 2,513, that is 13 cash vans, including 267 dedicated cash vans to bank, 475 vault and spoke location covering approximately 1,860 cities in towns in India. Our subsidiary SVIL is the second largest cash management company in India in terms of revenue from the cash management and ATM replenishment on 31st March 2021. SVIL is the only cash management company that follow the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines dated 8 August 2018 and RBI guidelines dated on April 6, 2018 pan-India basis. We also implemented cassette swap for our outsourcing services business. Our major customers and cash management services: BTI India Payments in Private Limited, Hitachi Payment Services and Private Limited. To enhance our digital portfolio and address new market segment, we commence our operations and merchant solutions. Our merchant services, including device-based and device-less payment solution, prepaid loyalty program, cash at POS, payment gateway, and remote Paytm solution, loan against card receivable, and other vast. It's a value added basically. Okay, August 31st, 2021, we had 1,80,993 merchant as a client. In the span of 2 years, we become largest deploy POS terminal at petroleum outlet in India. In particular, we focus on serving oil marketing industry, private and public sector bank, corporate merchants. Our 2,21,066 POS terminal deploy with our clients on 31st August 2021. 1,83,985 terminal located retail and outlet merchant. 37,081 terminal we are located OMC. For 5 months ended 31st August 2021, financial year 2020 and 2019, GTV Transact through POS terminal at OMC retail outlet was rupees 95,178 million, where if you see that is 133,656.32 million rupees, 74,990.48 million, and rupees 25,376.78 million respectively. We have order hands from the major OMC, including Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited HPCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL, and other corporate customers of our digital petroleum, including Dr. Lal Path Lab Limited, Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited, Sunshine Tea House Private Limited, that is Chayos, and RJ Corp Limited, VRIPL Retail Private Limited, Om Sweets, Lata Mangeshkar Medical Foundation and Organic India Private Limited. In April 2021, to further enhance digital capability and leverage PPI authorization issue our subsidiaries ITSL. We started open one Ongo prepaid card which can be used by consumer to pay transaction. We also provide transaction switching services where integrated variant of digital of payments change including internet payments gateway and several mobile payment system to route switch and process electronic transaction even across non-banking segment that gives us ability to cater need of banks, retailers, petroleum stations and other financial institutions across the payment transaction value chain and assist customers in the issue of new card migration and their existing card base and authorization of card. Our in-house switch development software team also develops customized switching solutions for our customers. So this is all about our banking automation solutions business segment, which is okay. This has been 2004 and ATM cell CRM currency technology product and self services terminal and related services upgraded on 31st August 2021. We have approximately 50 banking customer including ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank Limited. Okay, other automation segments are encompasses of machines and retail services customers in the retail, petroleum and color segment. As a part of our automation solutions, we supply the products. Okay, this is all. We have already covered up how many number of their point of sales and what their revenues. We are not going to revise it. Okay, we are focusing over here. We believe that we have a strong management team and significant industry experts and established relationship with our customer. Our key managerial personnel and senior managerial personnel enable us identity new opportunity and implement our business strategies in the manners of contemplate to continue build our track record and customer service respond and market opportunity. We have an initial financial year 2021, 2020 and 2019. Our total income was 7,000 rupees 7,623.04 million, 17,000 rupees 17,971.52 million, rupees 18,335.26 million and 18,000 rupees 18,226.3 million respectively. Our profit loss versus loss profit divided by loss before tax was rupees 55 million, rupees 824.27 million and rupees 1195.24 millions and rupees 788.89 million respectively. Our EBITDA was rupees 1940.62 million, rupees 4767.60 million, rupees 4954.61 million and rupees 4428.75 million respectively. Our EBITDA margin was 25.5%, 26.5%, 27% and 24.3% respectively. So this is all about this company's financial growth. Ags Transact Technologies Limited company detail. This company started 11 December 2002. AGC Infotech Private Limited is the initial company name. They are based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Where registered, they have changed their name from Transact Technology Private Limited to the limited on 3rd June 2010, or then they converted public limited, and they have received the fresh certificate on 20 July 2010. Here is their corporate registered office 601 602 Tradewell B Wing, Kamla Mill Compound, Senapati Bapat Marg, and Lord Parel, Mumbai 400013, Maharashtra, where corporate office is on 14th floor, Tower B1, International Center, Senapati Bapat Marg, Prabhadevi West, Mumbai 400013, Maharashtra, India. For further information, log on agsindia.com. So you will know so many things. Dear viewers, last year we have given the details little bit. Anyways, we are going to talk about the path of this company, whatever they have achieved every year, their footprints into the market. 2002 this company was registered. 2004 commenced manufacturing of paint dispenser at Daman with expertise from the fast and fluid management. Commencement of relationship with Diebold. Next off, commence operation of a banking automation solutions segment. 2009 enter into corporation agreement with Diebold. Next off, for banking and retail products. Commenced ATM outsource and managed services business, forming a part of banking payment solution segment. 2011 introducing currency technology solution under the brand Chilean investment in our company by TPG. 2012 investment of our company by Oriole commenced cash management business through SVIL. 2013 acquisition of stake by GTSL in Novus SGP. 2014 ITSL received authorization from RBI to set up and operate payment system from semi-closed prepaid payment instrument services in India. Our company received authorization from RBI to set up, own and operate Paytm system for white label ATMs. 2016 ATMs manufacturing at Daman, entering into hosting and management services alliances with ACI worldwide, entering in the Sri Lankan market, and Ags Transact Lanka Private Limited entering into transit business through automated fare and electronic toll collection system. 2018 launched Fastlane as a first RFID payment for fuel in India, among the first company to launch QR code based on payment for various cards and scheme. 2019 set up AGC Community Foundation with the effects of September 24, 2019, introducing Asia Pacific Payment Innovation Forum PayNovate along with Novus Technology to promote advance and innovation in the payment industry. Introduce UPI QR based cash withdrawal. India's first UPI QR based cash withdrawal deposit feature ATM powered by our company technology enable touching transaction. So this is all about their footprints till dated, we can say. AGC Transaction Technology Limited IPO. IPO opening date will be 19 Jan 2022. IPO closing date 21st Jan 2022. Issue type book bill issue IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share, and IPO price is band between rupees 166 to rupees 175 per equity share. Market lot will be 85 share. Minimum order quantity will be 85 share. Listing at BSE NSE. Basis of allotment date 27 Jan 2022. Initiation of refund 28 Jan 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 31st Jan 2022. IPO listing date will be Feb 1st 2022, and if you apply minimum one lot, it will cost you 14,800 75 rupees only. If you apply 13 lots, it will cost you 1,93,375 rupees only, where the number of shares total will be 1,105. So dear viewers, its choice is yours. Dear viewers, Pradivej Finance gives advance overview about any company. So here we have started 2022 ratings in this Ags Transact Technology Limited. We are giving the rating for this company will be 3.2 out of 5. And yes, absolutely, we expect this company subscription minimum, because minimum will be bandwidth. We have given minimum 30-35, and maximum it can touch up to 70%, means 35% till to the 75%. Hopefully this will break the 7. If this will break the 7, sorry, it's not a 75, it's a 70 we have written. Suppose it breaks the 70%, it can touch up to 95 also. But depending on their strategy, the company has not evaluated their price bands over here. So it's a reasonable they have given. So that's the reason, and we are expecting this company can get oversubscribed also, and it can hit the market. Hopefully it will work, but accordingly the choice of investors, probably it may not work. Anyways, everybody knows where they wanted to invest right now into this IPO, or they wanted to invest into the multi-bagger shares. Choice is investors. So over here we can say 35% minimum, maximum it can touch up to 95 around, but here we are giving 70 only, because the popularity, as we see, Ags Transact Technologies Limited. Anyways, thank you. By Pradivej Finance. Once issue close, we will come back to you with the GMP analysis. And as we says that we are evaluating the company portfolio nowadays, so hopefully, yeah, we have promised you that we will upload our videos, and yes, we have missed yesterday as there is a lot of cold outside, and that's the reason getting sick over here. So hopefully we will start working on so many projects very soonly if we have to work. Anyways, have a great day. Bye bye. And have a happy weekend to enjoy your life with your family and safely.